This is the options derivatives section. Here you can find all contracts. Here you can select the asset pair. This is the order book. Sell offers are in red at the top, while buy offers are in green at the bottom. The right side shows the last 50 trades from the past 24 hours. This is the price chart and depth chart. This is the market, limit, and stop limit. Click on this button to change the margin mode like cross to isolated or vice versa. Click on the leverage button to adjust the leverage for your trade. You can increase leverage to 125 times your actual balance. Here you can find our integrated AI powered by ChatGPT. If you have any queries, you can ask here. Here you can have a direct conversation with a broker or trader. Or you can create a group as per necessity. Trade history shows all successful buys and sell trades. Open orders shows all buys and sell offers waiting to be executed. Stop orders shows all buys and sell offers created using the stop limit. To know about the detailed fee structure, click here.